Are you piecing together random worksheets, trying to create something meaningful for your ESL students? Something that actually builds writing skills and sparks creativity? You're not alone. Many educators are looking for a writing program that's structured, engaging, and age-appropriate, especially for young English learners. A program that goes beyond grammar drills and really helps students become writers. Writing Adaptations is exactly that. This course takes students on a guided journey through the magical world of fairy tales, teaching them how to describe settings using their 5 senses, plan their own stories, and adapt classic tales into something completely new. Each module includes easy-to-follow lessons, beautifully designed worksheets, and supportive scaffolding for both students and teachers. Whether you're running an after-school club, planning a summer course, or looking for a creative addition to your language curriculum, this course is ready to go. It's imaginative, it's structured, and it works. Writing Adaptations helps young learners gain confidence, build language skills, and most importantly, discover the joy of storytelling. Let your students become the authors of their own fairy tales. Try Writing Adaptations today.